Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone jobs. I did share a non-phone video earlier today if you haven't seen it, but I thought I would do a video for phone jobs and customer service jobs, even though sometimes we hate talking on the phone and dealing with upset customers. Customer service is the easiest work from home job field to get into, so I just thought I would share for all of those who are interested. But of course, feel free to always leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. But diving right on in, first up we have the company Paula's Choice. Now, Paula's Choice is a well-known skincare brand. I personally use them myself. They have 89 reviews from past and current employees, a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a temporary order CSR or customer service specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. All of these positions I am sharing are for the United States only. But they're basically looking for somebody to work up to 8 hours a day, taking phone calls from customers, revolving those customer inquiries through phone, email, and chat. Some of these are going to be processing customer orders, preparing any correspondence to go out with them, and entering their orders with accuracy into the system, handling any shipping, tracking, and delivery questions that they have, just being friendly, empathetic, and professional in all of your conversations with these customers, trying to get products ordered or find out where their products are. Now, they are looking for somebody to work shifts between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and they're looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service, somebody who can multitask, and somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and has basic computer skills, being able to type at least 40 words per minute. But pay for this position is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $19.50 an hour. Moving right along, next up we have the company Jetty. Now, Jetty has been shared multiple times before on many different job boards. They often hire for work from home jobs in different categories, but today they have a customer service position open. Now, they have 26 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, and they're just looking for a remote customer experience associate. So Jetty is a financial services platform. They make renting a home more affordable and flexible. They're looking for somebody to just learn their business and their systems inside and out, use Zendesk and Salesforce, working with their members and partners over the phone and email to resolve any problems or issues they have or answer their questions with using the platform. You'll just communicate Jetty's products, services, how do they work, how to use them, and why they're a great option for renters, just giving all the information to the customer. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who can type at least 40 words per minute, somebody who is flexible in their schedule and can work some weekends, someone who has great communication skills and is a multitasker, and they do want somebody who can be empathetic and be a people person. But pay for this position is $24 an hour, and they do offer a standard benefit package. But if you're looking to work for a more well-known company, QVC is hiring also. They have 1,900 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service specialist. Now, this is to start in February after the holidays, so you do have a little bit of time to get that application in. They are only hiring in select states, though. So you do have to live in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, or Virginia, or in the greater Boise, Idaho area. So if you live in one of those areas, they're paying $15 an hour. And they're basically looking for somebody just to handle that high volume of customer inquiries and phone calls. You'll be answering phone calls, and you think QVC is like a ordering system. So you're going to confirm refunds, take payments, help people place orders, analyze their account data, just give them any information about products and services that you need, and make sure you get their orders submitted. They're looking for somebody who can work in a virtual environment, just navigating multiple computer systems. So you've got to be a multitasker, and you've got to be able to troubleshoot your own technical issues. You also do have to be available to work weekends and holidays as required. So if QVC is not for you, next up we have the company Aura. I hope I'm saying that right. They have 164 reviews on Glassdoor, 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a customer loyalty rep. But they're basically looking for somebody to either work 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So you can either start really early and get off early, or work that normal 8 to 5. They're looking for somebody just to take customer cancellation calls and try and retain them as a customer. So you're trying to keep them from canceling. So you will also make outbound daily calls to existing customers that have failed subscription payments, trying to get them to update their payment information. Again, just trying to keep them active as a customer. So you're going to make sure that you just keep all the customers satisfied, being proactive, giving any support to them that they need, and actively listening to all of their issues or feedback of why they don't want to be a customer anymore. You'll identify any times that you can upsell them on different opportunities. No college degree is needed for this one either, just 1 to 2 years of either sales retention experience. Someone who loves talking to people, you're naturally engaging, and you're self-motivated and can be a team player as well. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. But if you're a pet lover, next up we have the company Fetch Pet Insurance. They have 171 reviews on Glassdoor, a rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They're also hiring a remote call center service agent. And of course, they provide the service of pet insurance. So you're going to be answering those calls, utilizing the operating standards and knowledge base that you're given to just support and help the customer with any inquiries they have, giving them like product knowledge or directing them to any self-directed trainings. You're going to have desktop tools that you can use. You're really just looking for somebody to treat every interaction with the customer who is buying or has the insurance plan with professionalism, just answering all of their questions. This is going to require you to take a high volume of inbound calls each day, and they're looking for somebody to put in 42 hours a week between the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you've got to be flexible in the shift that you can work. Now, they do prefer a bachelor degree, but it's not required. You do have to have 1 year of call center experience, be able to multitask, and have great attention to detail. And unfortunately, they did not list pay that I could find. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. And I always believe in climbing the corporate ladder when you can and when you have the skills to do so. So of course I needed to throw at least one customer service manager position in here. So the company Olaplex, they make hair products. Their products are sold in like Sephora and Ulta. They have 26 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have a lower employee satisfaction rating though of 2.9 out of 5 stars. So make sure if you're interested in this position, you read the reviews. But they are hiring a B2B customer support manager. They're basically looking for somebody just to lead and supervise that customer support team that they already have. You'll be responsible for making sure all purchase orders are processed correctly and fulfilled and invoiced correctly. So you'll be the primary contact for all of customer interactions related to purchase orders and fulfillment that need to be escalated up to like a supervisor manager. You're going to guide your customer support team that you're over and assisting different departments, resolving all customer issues. They're looking for somebody who's 3 to 5 years of a customer support manager or some kind of similar customer support role. Maybe you've been a team leader before, someone who has strong understanding of order processing, someone who has great communication and problem solving skills, and someone who can multitask. But if this is you, base pay starts out at $101,500 a year, goes all the way up to $141,750 a year, and does come with that standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments, again, anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoy customer service positions. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.